Hi again. I've had a few people ask me about income utilization and the pros about having the HELOC strategy, and what if they have that really low rate that everyone got about 3 or 4 years ago. Sometimes some people just don't want to give that up, even though it really doesn't matter what rate you have, because you're going to be paying it off in less than 7 years. Hopefully, 5 to 7. Some people do it even in less. But first, let's go over it again. HELOC is an open-ended line of credit. The money comes into the HELOC, and all of your money, you treat it like your checking and your savings account. Think of it like a funnel. You're putting all of your money in, okay? And it's that little small area between my hands. That is the daily balance going down. And so that daily balance is what they do simple interest on, okay? So that to make this work, you have to have discipline. You put all your money into the account. You treat it like your regular checking and savings. All your bills will come out. So that will bring the money down and then slightly bring it back up because you're using it for your bills. But then you're going to drive it back down with all your income and your savings, and then slightly bring it back up because your bills every month, okay? That is the income utilization for the HELOC, okay? Now, mortgage is a close-ended account. You have all of your income coming in, and you're gonna maybe put some savings in a checking account. That is the traditional way. But once your income leaves your checking account for your mortgage, your car bill, your credit card bill, your regular budget expenses, that money is gone. You can't ever use it again, okay? If you have some sort of unexpected debt and you've used your savings, you have no more, you're gonna have to go get a loan, which is an extra process. So here, what it is you are the bank. Now the pros, if you value liquidity, being the bank, this is for you. If you are disciplined, this is for you. Opportunities to invest, this is for you. It cuts time in the time of your mortgage and in the interest. Greatly cuts it. We're going to talk about that in a second. In huge amounts, it's going to cut that interest down. Okay. Now, people have asked me, well, what about just putting extra payments to my mortgage? A lot of people can't do that, and if they can, you're still not saving as much as you do with this method. It would take a lot of extra payments to get it to 7 years, to pay it off in 7 years. Whereas this is using your regular budget, and you're just using that simple interest, because a mortgage is compound interest. But you must be disciplined. You must have a credit over 700. You must have focused goals to get this done. 80-20 equity, and your income has to be more than your outgo. So more income than your expenses. Now, if you have that really low interest rate and you just can't get over the fact of, changing your whole mortgage over, replacing it with a HELOC, line of credit in first position, that's okay. There's the chunking method. Go back to my first videos, and I explain that. Basically, that's the chunking method. Like if you were going to use it for a credit card, that's kind of the same idea. And so what you're doing is getting like let's say it's a $10,000 HELOC, and so that would be in the second position, but you're going to put that $10,000 towards your payment. Once you've paid down that $10,000 in your HELOC, then you would start all over again. Okay, so it's the same idea. It might be a little bit slower, it just depends on you. But you're going to be high velocity is going to be doing it with replacing your complete mortgage with the HELOC in the first position. But everybody has different scenarios. That's why you need to click the link and go have a consultation. They will tell you what's best for you, because really, I cannot tell you what's best for you, because you need to go and have a consultation with those people that have all the calculators and will talk to you about your situation. So those are the options. Go and see what's right for you, and let's get your mortgage paid off. How exciting. That's going to be a great day.